Hi everyone! If you've never had a YouTube channel or you wanna make one, or if you have already have one but want to make a brand new YouTube channel, stay tuned and I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how to do that. Now let's jump right into this video. Let's go into our YouTube app. As you can see here, this upper right corner, click that icon and then hit sign in. So since we are going to create brand new account, click add account, then hit continue. If you have an email or Gmail account already, so you can input in here, you can sign in it here, but I am going to show you on how to create an account. So if you don't have an account, then we are going to create an account. Hit the create account. As you can see here, you have two options, either for myself or to manage my business. Now you probably wanna hit for myself because it's probably just your own personal YouTube channel. But actually, I recommend hitting manage my business, and this is going to actually give you a few more options that you wouldn't able to do if it was just a personal YouTube account. What they call a brand account is multiple people can sign in rather signing into your Google account and accessing your Gmail and all that. They can just sign in into the YouTube channel. If it is for yourself and you wanted someone else to sign in, they would actually need to get your password for your Gmail, for everything. So that is one major reason. Another that is really cool is you can have different name on your YouTube channel. I definitely recommend going that brand account. Now, in filling out this page, put your name right here. This is your name in your YouTube account. When you put your name here, this is going to show up into your YouTube name. You're giving me an option, but I want to create my Gmail address. This is already taken. Choose your password. Just hit next. Put your number, phone number. Okay, this won't make your number public. For example, your number will be used to reset your password if you forget it, or receive calls and messages, or make Google services more relevant to you. Hit yes, I'm in. In a while, you will be able to get text. I received the code, so I'm going to encode this. Just hit next. And there you go. Review your account info. You can use this Gmail address or mobile number to sign in later. So as you can see, we have our name here, going to travel. So next, just hit the next. Let's scroll up down and you hit I agree. So there you go, guys. We have our channel. Let's go back here in this icon. So as you can see, you see this name here, going to travel, and then I have my Gmail there. Let's go to, it says your channel. Click to your channel, and we are going to, okay, now we are here, picture, change your photos or take a new one. So you can just click it here and it take you into your photos and you can download it. So now let's do the create channel. So as you can see, we already have a channel here. It's perfect. Your channel and create videos. If you want to create videos, so you already have a video, you can download it. I I have 0 subscribers here. And the videos, you create videos, your playlist, and your channels, and about. And that is how you create your channel. Very easy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for more videos notification, and give us thumbs up.